I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Got the horses in the back, horse I get attached. Hattie's matty black, got the boots like to match. Riding on a horse, you can wipe the porch. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch.
Ang gwapo naman.
Yes, I'm so excited. Actually, my mother brought me food and snack.
Do you have allowance?
Yes, my mother also gave me an allowance.
Perfect. Hey, you're flirting! Stop it, guys. You're in the tour. So, is this historical place?
Actually, yes, I searched it.
Oh my god, you're a future researcher, huh? So, guys, time is for you to get yes. Oh my god, your childhood is boring. So, are we here already?
Yes, are we here already?
Yes!
So hello guys! So welcome to the Hilltop Garden here in Rodriguez Rizal. So what grade are you again?
Grade 12 student from STEM in Roosevelt College. Wow, complete info ha, palong-palong. Siyempre, aura lapit ng class and the tour guys. Oh my god, no, stop it. It looks so dirty and ugly and cold. Oh my god.
Jackie, how about Angelo? Diba, you love him, right, Angelo?
Huh? What are you talking about? I don't need love right now. I must study first.
Oh my gosh, girl. But why are you going to know? Can I ask you? Sure, what is it? Can you please take a picture with me and my guide? Your tour guide?
Yes, I
Oh my
admit
god, you
it.
own him already?
Yeah, I really love him so much.
Love already? Oh my god, love at first sight. So, since we're sisters and all of you, so I support the Condi. So, come here.
So this fountain is a normal fountain. It's from rock, cement, and marble. Okay, so there's no water.
Hello po, Mr. Tour Guide. Can I have a picture with you?
Oh no, sorry. Masakang sa tugil. Bakla ako. Bakla ako.
Oh my
Hindi
god.
tayo talo-talo dahil.
Excuse me. You still have pets?
Not yet.
Oh! Like, wow. That's why you're my friend. Oh my god.
Oh my God, no.
You're proprieting already.
I just asked what is this?
Just asking what type of
Oh,
company
you're
it
not
is.
doing it with your intimate. And
No,
you
wait,
said that you
no.
study for
No, that's true.
Oh my god. I want to smack her. I'm so out.
A few inches later.
So this place is concerned about the ecosystem and the nature, so that we prevent the living things and the animals. So this is a lizard, okay? Lizard.
So, Mr. Tour Guide, what is the scientific name of that kind of lizard?
This lizard, the scientific name of this is Euromastic, and the length of this is 12 inches.
OMG, we can use the biology and statistics at the same time. I want to find the probability that a randomly selected insect of this species will have a length greater than 13.5 inches.
We don't know about the topic yet. Our teacher doesn't take that topic.
This is the formula. First, you have to find the x which is equal to the value of interest which is 13.5. The value of x is 13.5 and the mean is 12. And the standard deviation is given which is 2 inches. So if you minus it and you divide it into 2, the answer is 1.5. And you also divide it into 2. And this is the final answer which is 0.75.
Perfect. Hey, you're here! Nice to see you. Do you know each other?
Yes, of course. She is our valedictorian from our previous school.
Oh, okay. That's fine. You don't need calculator by solving that. I'm amazed. Really?
She's genius.
Good afternoon, class. This is the review master, and I'm glad that you enrolled here. I also want to know what are the other reasons aside from the entrance exam that you want to give.
Good taste in this lower part. Yes, lower part. You will said that in the label. This is the level of significance. This and DF means degree of freedom of speech. I I'm confident that I know everything. I don't even need you, sir.
Sir, I'm eager to learn new knowledge and information so that I can use in real life.
Oh my God, you're so pogibo. How cheap are you for saying like that? Don't you enroll in your high school so you're not smart like me?
Wow, you are so arrogant. You think you are superior? Wake up, bitch. I'm just a humble.
I'm nerdy. I'm just saying the facts that are relevant and you're jealous of me because I'm sexy, I'm hot, I'm intelligent, and everything you're not.
Study girls, we must learn how to respect each other. Even though you are intelligent, always remember that attitude is what reflects you. Your knowledge is nonsense if you're not kind to others. Make peace, not war.
Haharanahin kita sa
I am your new teacher. Pogi, di ba?
Oh my God.
So back to the main topic. I can teach you a statistical tool that can apply in real life. And it is this one.
So sir, how can we apply this in real life? What is the variables?
For example, suppose you know that your IQ is 120. You might wonder how this compares to other individuals' IQ scores. It is now a relatively easy procedure. We first introduce what is called the conversion formula. We will convert from IQ scores to Z scores. We know how to determine probabilities for Z scores. So if we know the Z score for a particular IQ score, we can also calculate a probability for that IQ score. To convert from an IQ score to a Z score, we use the formula.
What's the formula, sir?
This is the formula. In this conversion formula, the X value is the IQ score of interest, which means that the X is 120 and the symbol for me is this and it is 100 and the standard deviation is equal to 15. Additional information, if you square the standard deviation, it will convert to bar. So now, let's calculate the Z-score of your IQ. As you could see, the X is 120, so we put it here. Then the mean, we place it here. Then we divide it by 15. Now, 100 minus 120 is 20. Divided by 15 is equal to...
Oh my God! Pinapagawang research akin sa Fiesta. Paano na yan? Ano yung gagawin kong research? Ako lang kung ano yung pwedeng gawin.
Girl, this is my dream. Sana matanggap na ako.
Oh my God! Oo nga eh. So sir, ano na po ng balita?
Pamalita. Tanggap na kayo bilang graduate player.
Kaya na training!
Kayo na din. Your training is now. And you need to run back and forth. From here to there, 5 times.
Oh my God! Okay sir, ready sa Iron Challenge. Alam mo ha? Ano na?
na lumilipad ay mahal ng Diyos. Hindi para pasawain at
After I pick a topic and gather the data, the formula that is applicable in this study is persons are for correlation analysis. So, if you compute it using a scientific calculator, it is not applicable if you continue it or dire-diretso in Tagalog. So yun, after mo na i-compute, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-dire-diretso ng ganyan agad na fraction agad, tapos sa baba square root kasi mag-syntax error siya. So kailangan ito muna unang part, then after that, ito muna, hindi din siya, katulad nito, hindi siya pwedeng diretso. Ito muna, katulad nito, kinuha muna yung 441, tapos ito, yung 2,105. Tapos then yung square root, kasi ang ano niyan, pag minultiply mo yung dalawa na yan, ito yung lalabas. Tapos ang magiging sum is 0.88. Tapos yung, di ba, ito constant siya, yung level of significance. Tapos yung UDF is means niyan is degree of freedom. Ang formula niyan is n minus 2. Yung n natin is 10 kasi yung student na naan natin is 10. Tapos, di ba, equal siya sa 8. Then, merong table dyan na mag-a-appear dyan na makikita mo doon yung tabular value niya is 0.632. So, ang null hypothesis natin is rejected. There is a significant relationship kasi marireject yung null hypothesis mo if the computed value is higher than the tabular value. So, ang conclusion nun or interpretation nun is yung number of hours na na-engage in sports, particularly in the track and field, if you consume many hours on your habit or on your passion, then rather than studying for your exam or for your lesson, syempre, in the end, your grades will be low. So, ito, nakikita nyo naman, mababa yung ano niya, kuwari, onting time lang yung na, ano niya, is mas mataas yung grades niya. So yun, affected talaga. There's a significant relation. So this is a scatter plot used for a linear regression. A scatter plot is a graph of ordered pairs containing the x and the y variables. So after a scatter plot is drawn, we can analyze the graph to see if there's a noticeable pattern, if there is like the points falling in an approximately straight line or curved line. You can also realize if it is a negative relationship or a positive relationship. We can conclude that the two variables might be related somehow. So yun, tinetest nga natin yung sa atin na conduct natin, kung related ba siya. So na-test natin is, it is not a perfect linear relationship. But ang interpretation nun is, as the number of hours consumed in the track and field in practicing, the grades get lower. So if the hours is more consumed on your things that is not related in school, your grades get lower. So after we go to the market and ask for the 50 pieces or the weight of the 50 pieces of the fruits in there, so I gather all the data, and here's the data. We will make the table, and in the first column or row, you will write the weights in pounds of the fruits in the supermarket, and then the number of pieces, and the cumulative frequency, and then the N is 50. So after that, after you search for a situational happening, because right now the season, yes, the Christmas is coming. The people are want to eat fruits, to be healthy, and you can use the statistical tools or the measures of relative position, the quartiles, the deciles, and the percentiles. The first step in getting the quartiles is first get the locator, or like this, the 1 and 1 symbolize the Q1. If you find the second quartile or the third quartile, you will put 3n over 4. The 4 is constant, so it is equals to 50 over 4. And the answer is 12.5. After you get it, look for it in the cumulative frequency, the near. Don't get the lower part. Kaya halimbawa, ito 5. Malapit din siya, di ba? So para mako-confuse ka, you get mo yung malapit, pero mas mataas ng konti. The first quartile class is 55 to 59. It is where the 12.5 items is found. Hence, LQ1 is 54.5. Kasi pag kukunin mo yung LQ1, di ba ito siya, dito ka titingin sa ano mo, sa variable mo. Tapos, yung siya is, i-minus mo lagi sa 0.5. Tapos, titingnan mo sa CF niya, di ba ito yung CF niya, 24. Ang gagawin mo is the upper boundary. So, number 5 siya. Tapos, ang formula niya is LQ1 over 1 and over 4, the CFB over FQ1. Tapos, bracket, yung I, yung class mark yun. Kung ilan yung, 50 to 54, di ba? 50 to 54. So, 5 siya. Tapos ito, nasulat ko na siya. Nilitin down ko lang yung mga data. 12.5 minus 5 over 19. Yung 19, nakuha siya. Ito kasi, yung number of beats is equivalent sa frequency. So, yung frequency nung natin is 19. Kaya, ayun. So, now, we are deciles. So, yung deciles, hinahatin sa 10. Kasi yung quartiles, di ba, pang-apat siya. Ang hinahanap natin is decile 6. Thus, the 6th decile class is 60 to 64. So, bakit siya naging 60 to 64? Katulad step dun sa quartile, una, hanapin mo muna yung locator. Tapos, ang process nun is A is equals to 6 times 50 as over 10. Tapos, ang sub 30. So, hanapin mo ulit siya dito. So, malapit siya sa 46. Kaya ito yung magkukunin na ano. Tapos, it is where the 13th items is found. Tapos, ganun ulit, ilalagay mo ulit yung mga nakalag mong data. Yung LT6, minusan ko lang to ng 0.5 again. So, magiging 59.5. Tapos, 6 times 50 ulit over 10. Minus yung CFB niya na 30. Kasi, 30 yung na-compute dun sa locator. Tapos, minus 24 kasi 24 yung nasa taas ng... Di ba katulad sabi ko kanina, kukunin mo yung upper boundary. Tapos, over 22 kasi yung frequency nung 60 over 64 is katulad niya is 22. So, yung sagot is equals to 60.86.
Percentile.
Yung sa percentile naman, ganun din. Hahanapin mo din yung locator. Tapos, ganun lang din yung pag-written down ng mga numbers or ng mga data.
Do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do.